Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a very special and very useful feature of WordPress that I promise you that you wouldn't see in any other CMS there's out there. It's a very good feature that I'm sure that you've never heard of it. So you know, imagine you're writing a post and it's a long one, you write a long text and suddenly you're accidentally deleted a part and saved it. You didn't notice that you deleted a part that you needed, and you saved it and the part is gone. You might think the part is gone, but in the WordPress, in the edit post part, there is a part called revision. Now I have it on. Let me turn it off. When you come down, there is nothing, but when you come here and open the screen option, if I click on the revision, you'll see that there's a revision here, and if I select it up and come down, you see that the revision part came up. Revision is technically a part that will show you every single change that you have done on your post, and you can undo it, and you can reverse the edit, and you can reload and resave it. You can do whatever you want with this revision thing. So let me open this. In this revision, uh, this is the difference of what happened. For example, it was 38 minutes ago when this was created, nothing was here, and then I added this stuff. And I had a YouTube video, as you can see, it's here. And when you check this one, it's called compare to revision. If you, for example, let me uncheck it. If you come here, it'll only show you of the last and the new edit. But if I want to see the difference between the first and the last one, all I can do is just compare any two revisions, and just come back here, and you can see that I removed the YouTube link. It didn't have the YouTube link here, and I added here. And if I go to the first part, I added this dev line. I aligned it to the text to the left and added this Twitter link, and this is all happened to the thing, to my post, and I added this and stuff. So if I go here, for example, uh, I want this to back, I want my post to get back to the 17 minutes ago when I didn't have this YouTube link and I didn't align my text to the left. All I can do is all I need to is just push this restore this revision, and all that happens is when you go here, as you can see, there is no YouTube link. Oh yeah, I added it in this part. As you can see, the Twitter link that was here is gone, and the YouTube link is here. And we just got back to this post restore to revision from November, and this is the time there. And as you can see, you can preview the changes here. If I go to the revisions again, and for example, as you can see, this is the last one that I did 8 seconds ago. If I go here, this is a removed part. If I restore this revision, I added this Twitter link and remove the YouTube one. should give me the Twitter link right here. As you can see, the Twitter link is here, and we stored this revision that we wanted. You know, every single one of them is actually saving here, and you can access it whenever you want. This is not something you see in any CMS. It's very sophisticated and very good feature. You know, like if you know how hard it is to make such thing, and you know, with PHP writing the code, or I don't know, JavaScript, this is a very good option that you'll definitely need, and you'll use it for your website. And that's uh, that's what makes WordPress separate from other CMSs. So don't forget to check this button, revisions, to have it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.